So let's just take a look at what we just finished working on, right? The ATM machine. So we've got a deposit amount. I don't know why I made that a string, but it doesn't really matter because I'm going to switch it to a float right here. So we got a deposit amount, an account, and we might go through all of this stuff just in the piece of code where we're making a deposit, right? So we say we want to make a deposit. It asks the user, what account do you want to do and how much? Oh, that's why it's a string, because I'm mimicking what the input would be right there. So it would be, you change it to a float, you check, and your checking account gets incremented, and then you give them a message. Same thing for savings. So you've got a relatively complex structure. And if I had that throughout my program, I would have to repeat it. But if I wanted to, if I create a function that says do deposit, and I give it the amount and the checking account, and it just does all of that for me. Every time I say do deposit this amount and this account, it just does it. Then my program flow, instead of having all of this stuff each time I want to do a deposit, has only that one line. So it can be very powerful.